In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a draft campaign from your campaign list. Keeping your workspace tidy helps you and your team stay focused, and removing drafts you no longer need is a quick win. We'll walk through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few tips to help you avoid deleting the wrong item. Start by opening your workspace and looking at the left-hand navigation panel. Find and click Campaigns. This takes you to the central list where all of your campaigns live. If your menu is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so you can clearly see the Campaigns option. Once you're on the Campaigns page, you'll see rows of items, each with a name and a status. For this process, make sure the item you plan to remove is clearly labeled as draft. Deleting a draft is useful when a test idea didn't pan out or a placeholder campaign is no longer relevant. A common example might look like marketing plan, draft. Before you move on, pause for a second to confirm it's the right one. Checking the status and the name now prevents mistakes later. Next, select the campaign by clicking the checkbox to the left of its name. Be careful not to click the campaign title itself, since that usually opens the draft for editing. The checkbox tells the system exactly which item you intend to act on. With the draft selected, look for the Delete option. Depending on your interface, you may see a button labeled Delete or a simple trash can icon. They do the same thing. Click it to begin the removal process. If you don't see the option, it could be due to limited permissions in your account. In that case, an administrator may need to perform deletions for you. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. This is a safeguard so you don't remove something by accident. Read the message, verify the draft name one more time, and then confirm the deletion. In many systems, delete actions are permanent, so only proceed when you're absolutely sure. After you confirm, the campaign will be removed from your list. You should no longer see it in the campaigns table. For example, the draft named Marketing Plan Draft will disappear, signaling that the removal was successful. Some interfaces update instantly. Others may take a brief moment to reflect the change. That's all there is to it. You clicked Campaigns, located the correct draft, selected its checkbox, chose Delete, and confirmed. Simple, clear, and effective. Keeping your list current makes future planning smoother, and it reduces clutter so your active work stands out. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace organized by pruning drafts you no longer need.